Hello children. In this session of our earth lesson, we will learn about latitudes, longitudes, hemisphere and grid. Let us see what is hemisphere first of all. When the earth is divided horizontally into two equal parts, each part of the earth is called as hemisphere. Hemi means half. The sphere which is above the line is called horizontal line is called as northern hemisphere, and below the horizontal line is known as southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere have continents like North America, Asia and northern part of Africa and Greenland. Southern part of hemisphere have South America, South of Africa, Australia and Antarctica. When we draw the earth into two equal halves by drawing an vertical line, we get two hemispheres. The hemisphere to the west side is called as western hemisphere and to the east side is called as eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere have continents like Asia, Africa and Australia. Western hemisphere have continents like South America, North America and western part of Africa. Let us say about latitudes. Latitude, the word is derived from the Latin word latitudo, which means width. Latitudes run from west to east direction. These latitudes are parallel lines and are at equal distance from one another. The biggest latitude is equator at 0 degrees. Latitudes are expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds. There are 180 latitudes in total, not counting the equator. 90 degrees north and 90 degrees south are called as end poles or end points. There are 5 important latitudes depending upon the pattern of the sunlight falling on the earth. They are 0 degrees latitude at is called as equator. 23.5 degrees north latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degrees south latitude is called as Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degrees north is called as Arctic Circle. 66.5 degrees south latitude is called as Antarctic Circle. 90 degrees north and 90 degrees south are just endpoints. Longitudes. The word longitude is derived from the Latin word longitudo, which means length. Longitude run from pole to pole. They are semicircles. There are 360 longitudes. 0 degrees longitude is known as Greenwich meridian, also called as prime meridian. It is called as Greenwich meridian because it passes through the Astronomical Greenwich Laboratory in London. 180 degrees longitude is known as International Date Line. As latitudes, longitudes are also expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds. The time difference between each longitude is 4 minutes. Do you know how longitudes are drawn? Longitudes are drawn by taking the places of equal shadows at 12 o'clock, that is at noon time. Before 12 o'clock, when we say the time, suppose if it is 11:50, we say 11:50 am. After 12, we say it as 12:10 pm. Am means ante-meridian, pm means post-meridian. The world is totally divided into 24 time zones. The time difference between each time zone is 15 degrees, that is nearly 1 hour. When we move towards east of the longitude, we go on add 4 minutes for each longitude. East gain add. When we move towards west of the longitudes, we go on subtract -4 as many longitudes as we pass on. West loss, subtract. Every country has its own standard time. India also follows Indian Standard Time. The standard meridian of India is at 82.5 degrees 32 minutes east longitude. The time difference between Greenwich Mean Time to India is nearly 5.5 hours. So, the intersection of these latitudes and longitudes creates a grid. The grid is useful to locate places and time of the place.